We'll bring you knowledge from the college level, and hopefully some of these guys can continue their playing careers one day. But like I said, this camp's for you guys. Any questions you have, do not hesitate to ask us. Today, specifically, we're going to be focusing on pitching, a lot of mental side of the game. At baseball, you have absolutely no control of what happens next. So that's the biggest thing that you need to think about, is basically just trying to execute a pitch, and as soon as it releases your hand, you're a fielder. And then you just make that play whatever happens. But we're going to go over, obviously, mechanics today, pitching fielding practice. We're going to do some core strengths, working on your... Okay, I want to introduce Eric Cunningham and AJ Matos. Why don't you guys step forward here. The rest of the Wayne State team break out to the track. These two players on our baseball roster are going to lead you in the warm-up.
I see you doing that, sir! I see you!
Very good.